Hi guys, I'm going to put some rounds downrange. Got a fresh target, Glock 19 with the Crimson Trace 206. Let's see how this thing works. Oh yeah. Well, first time shooting this thing, I think I'm getting good hits. Let me place this. Let me get some rest in the hands. Now, this is good stuff. I am very well impressed with this. I shot Federal 9mm 115. I'm gonna bring the target so you can take a look at that. Sometimes this thing works, sometimes doesn't. It's coming. Take a look at this. I didn't have much of a worry trying to aim. I just placed my the laser there. That's pretty good, huh? Like 15 to 20 feet away. Not too bad. Thank you for watching. This is the Fun and Family channel on the Crimson Trace CT 206.